Welcome, welcome, and welcome to the first episode of the Cooked Goose. My very first recipe I'm going to do and show you guys is crispy air-fried spicy chicken sandwich. Alright, for our dry ingredients we have 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of that nice spicy Creole, and a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of granulated onion, and a pinch of pepper here. I like it more peppery, having that nice little kick there. And 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 3/4 cups of cornstarch. Now I'm going to take about 1/4 of this mixture in here like so. Let's see here, let's get a little bit more. And now I'm about to make it a little crispy, get that nice kick and that crunch. Now I'm put that 1/4 in about 1 1/2 of seasoned panko. And we mix. And now we add 3/4 water, cold water, to our dry mix. And we whisk. Make sure that you're a nice batter, nice base. Now, as I'm whisking, I actually added a little bit more water just to make sure that it does have a smooth consistency, but also it will stick to the chicken. And there you have it like so. Now as we're done with that, and then we are now going to put the batter, take the chicken into our batter like so, get it nicely coated, and then run off a little bit. Then we go to our panko crust. Again, evenly coating is the best. You can use it with your hands, of course. And then we put on a nice drying rack with parchment paper, and then you're going to repeat that process. And now to our air fryer, preheat to 375, and we're going to 15 minutes. And we'll go in like so, put it nice and evenly through there. Air fryers are a great healthy option if you like them more fried, like I do. Fit them in like so. Make sure they're all tucked in like that. Right in, and away we go. And now, time to pull them out. We had to add a little bit more time to these just to make sure they all are crispy, but look at that. Whoops, here we go. Woo! Look at that, nice and crispy. Pull them out. That crunch. Oh yeah. Boom, like so. And now we are going to put the mayo on both sides. I did toast these in the oven a little bit with the tater tots in the very last couple minutes. And you can use whatever bun you want. We use brioche, but you can use sesame seed, which is really great. Or if you want to do some slider styles, you could do like Hawaiian rolls, which is really good. Yep, a nice evenly amount of mayo in there. If you really like mayo, then hey, put it on. Put it on. And do it on the other side as well. Like so. Get them really going and spread out. Alright. Now we assemble and put the pickles on. here. I'm gonna do about 3. Or hey, I mean, if you're a pickle fan like Sophie, she loves pickles.
What kind of pickles are these?
These are classic dill pickles. Got that, always have a great crunch. All right, almost there. Okay, now put on the chicken. Okay, then put that nice iceberg lettuce on there. Give that refreshing crunch. I've been saying crunch a lot, as you can tell. And like so. Boom. And voila. Spicy chicken sandwich. There you have it. The air fried, spicy, crispy chicken sandwich. Look at this thing. My gosh, it's huge. It's awesome. You cut right into it with those seasoned tater tots. A great drink pairing with this would be probably a light Pilsner, or you want to keep it classic, nice cold glass of lemonade.